Alright, so in my previous video of creating spicy AI fruit videos, some of you guys were wondering whether these videos are monetizable on TikTok or Instagram. And I get you guys, because the monetization policies have gotten so strict, especially on TikTok. You have to input like creator rewards program, and over there, some of the views are qualified, some are not. And even I saw some cases where, the videos were above million views, and in those video TikTok only paid like 20-30 dollars, which is really bad, right? But in today's video I've got a new monetization method for you guys, which does not involve TikTok monetization or YouTube monetization at all. Yeah, that's right. So in this video I'm going to show you a complete method with proof. You can go ahead and earn $500 to $1,000 per video on TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, let's just say after you have created your AI fruit video, and the method for those videos, I have basically created so many tutorials about that. There are like 3 to 4 tutorials of how you can create AI fruit videos uploaded on my channel, so you can definitely check it out. Okay, so after you have created a video on AI fruits, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and start uploading them on TikTok. Let's just say this is a TikTok account and you start uploading, AI fruit videos on your TikTok, just to warm it up and just to set up the TikTok algorithm. So let me show you a proof. This was basically one of my TikTok account. I basically start uploading on TikTok, and my first video got 4,950 views. Then the second video got 5,000 views. Then suddenly one of my videos started blowing up and it got 667,000 views, which for the first 3-4 videos is absolutely insane. And another video of mine got 300,000 views, right? So after you have gotten this amount of views, the next thing you need to do is you need to jump into social media platforms of different AI tools such as Flash Loop or Cantina. You probably have seen so many of the ads at the end of the AI videos. Yeah, I'm talking about those same apps. So either it could be Flash Loop or Cantina. So let's just say I go to TikTok and I search over here Flash Loop, and this is their official TikTok account. And over here, I can basically, start by messaging I create TikTok videos about AI fruits. I basically have this channel, kindly check it out. And I want to collaborate with you and this and that. And after they have seen your message, so this is what they're going to reply, So they're going to go ahead and offer you a collaboration. So this DM is of my same TikTok account that I, basically contacted Flash Loop, and they basically said the collaboration is straightforward. You keep your niche and style exactly the same. We only ask to add our branding to your videos. So Flash Loop, they basically tell about their tool, and then they say we pay per performance, which is $0.50 for every 1,000 views. So you'll be getting 50 cents for every 1,000 views. And if we go ahead and quickly check out the views that we got, so in one of our videos we got 600,000 views, right? And if you go ahead and calculate that real quickly, so we had 600,000 views. So per 1,000 views we have $0.5. So if I multiply that with 0.5, so it's basically $300 for a single video with 600,000 views, which is literally insane. And if one of our video gets, let's just say, 1 million views, which is not difficult on TikTok, you guys know, it's very easy to get views on TikTok. So if I input 1 million over here, which is this divided by 1,000, okay, and then if I multiply this by 0.5, so this means we will get $500 for 1 million views just to put the Flash Loop branding at the end of your video. So yeah, that is absolutely crazy, you guys, right? So yeah, this is one way I basically started creating videos of AI fruit on TikTok, and basically I am collaborating with Flash Loop, and they are giving me 50 cents per 1,000 views. And with that you can start uploading on TikTok, Instagram. The collaboration process would be absolutely same for all of the platforms. And now you don't have to worry about YouTube monetization, or YouTube not selecting your content for monetization due to their policies, community guidelines, and all that. And now you have basically creative control they say it's gonna be 100% with you. So you're no longer limited to create content according to FlashTube. You can create your own content, and they only rely on your views. Like, the more views you're gonna get, they're gonna pay you for that particular views for their branding. So yeah, that is absolutely crazy, you guys. So yeah, this was a quick update on how you can go ahead and start earning in a new way with AI fruit videos on TikTok. So this was one method that I followed, and I'm already earning with that. So yeah, I hope you like this quick video, you guys. And if you have any more questions, comment down below and I'll make sure to reply every single one of you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.